The Shelby County Health Department is providing lead screenings for students and staff members in the 35 schools found to have elevated levels of lead in water sources.
And our most important goal in regards to this particular initiative is to assure that children have access to lead testing so that their parents have the information they need and want, and that children are able to get evaluated and treatment if necessary.
The Shelby County Health Department will screen students in the indicated schools whose parents completed the required consent form and questionnaire as instructed by Shelby County Schools. The questionnaire that is completed by parents ahead of the testing is a very important part of the screening process. It gives valuable information about the child's health, their living environment, and any possible sources of lead in that environment. The second part of the screening process is the collection of a blood sample that is sent to a local laboratory for testing. To collect the blood sample, a nurse first cleans the student's or staff member's hand, especially the middle finger, with alcohol wipes.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
The nurse squeezes the finger gently to produce a small drop of blood. The blood is collected in a small glass tube that leads to a plastic collection vial. The vial only needs to be filled to the purple line. That is all the blood needed to complete the lead screening test. The nurse carefully labels the vial with the student's or staff member's first and last name, then places the vial in a plastic specimen bag, also labeled with the student's or staff member's first and last name, as well as the name of their school. The vials are then delivered to a local lab, which tests the samples for the presence of lead. Results are returned to the health department. Both students and staff members will be notified by mail of test results. Any student found to have elevated blood lead levels, indicating additional testing is needed, will have their parent called by a health department nurse. Children found to have elevated blood lead levels will receive follow-up case management services through the health department's Childhood Lead Poisoning Prevention Program. Any staff member found to have elevated blood lead levels will also be called and referred to their PCP for follow-up care. While the risk of exposure to lead in school water sources is thought to be low, blood lead screening will ensure that children with elevated lead levels get appropriate follow-up testing and care. The Shelby County Health Department and Shelby County Schools are working together to meet the needs of our children and families. The health and safety of our county's children is our highest priority.